friends, we're going to talk a bit today about how to use your breath and some props to maximize your ability to get into the best 3D postural correction, which is what Schroth is all about. So in the Schroth method, there's this concept of something called the tension of 12 times, and it's a series of 12 breaths that are cumulative. So each breath builds on the breath before it to help you get into the position where you feel like you've maximally expanded and stabilized your trunk in 360 degrees. So I'm going to show you what this looks like using poles. If you don't have poles, you can always do fingertips on shoulders too. I think it's just a little bit easier to feel when you have the poles to maintain that pressure and tension, but you don't have to have them. So I'm going to start just by finding that best 3D postural correction, thinking about lining up nose and belly button, standing tall, ears over shoulders, shoulders over hips, hips over ankles. And then I'm going to start with breath. So the first breath in, inhaling and lengthening and expanding, opening through the concavities of the back. And then as you exhale, push down into the poles, send your head high, maintain that shape. And then on breath 2, go even further. Inhale and lengthen, try to grow taller, try to go wider, try to expand into the concavity even more of the back. As you exhale, push down into the poles, squeezing core, squeezing glutes, standing tall. Inhale, lengthen, expand and open even more on the next breath. As you exhale again, pushing down through the poles, staying tall, staying wide, elbows wide, neck long, face relaxed. Inhale, lengthen, expand, open even more. And then exhale, push, keep that pressure and tension. Hold it right there, don't collapse down. Keep this going. Inhale and lengthen, grow tall, grow wide, and exhale, push. Don't collapse, keep pressure, keep tension, maintain. Inhale, lengthen, expand and open. And exhale, push, keep that pressure and tension. It should feel like work. Inhale again, lengthen and expand. Exhale, hold it right there. Neck is long, face relaxed. Keep that pressure and tension. Inhale and lengthen, moving prominence forward and upward. Concavity out and back. Exhale, hold it there, don't collapse down, keep pressure and tension. 5 more breaths. Inhale, lengthen and expand. And exhale, hold it there, keep pressure, keep tension, maintain. Inhale again, lengthen, growing tall, growing wide. And exhale, don't collapse down, keep pressure, keep tension, maintain. Inhale, lengthen, expand, open even more. Exhale, hold it there, don't collapse down. It should feel like this is pretty hard. Inhale and lengthen again. And exhale, push, keep pressure and tension. 2 more, inhale, forward and upward on the side of the convexity, out and back into the concavity of the back. Maintain pressure and tension, don't collapse down. Inhale again, lengthening, growing tall, growing wide, and exhale, push, keep pressure, keep tension, maintain. 1 more, inhale, lengthen and expand. And exhale, hold it right there, keep that pressure and tension. If I counted right, that was 12 breaths. It should feel hard, it should feel like work. As you finish, try to maintain that best alignment, best postural correction. So as you start to relax your body, try to hold on to the new position of the trunk. So as you release the poles and bring the poles down, you're not sinking back into the curve, you're staying really nice and tall. So this technique, this idea of the tension of 12 times can be done in any position, any Schroth position, and it really is just the idea that your breath is a tool to help you get in that best correction, and that each breath is cumulative. If you're doing these exercises and it doesn't feel hard and it doesn't feel challenging and it doesn't feel like you're actually working, using your muscles to hold that correction, you might be missing out on attaining the best correction that you're capable of. So hopefully this will help you, and this will be something you can work into your exercises. I will say, I don't think 12 is necessarily magic. You could do 11, you could do 13 breaths. The idea is that you just do enough to really feel like you're in your best correction. And it's probably gonna take multiple breaths for that to happen. So 12 is a good goal. All right, let me know what questions you have, what you think of this, and how it helps you. And thanks for watching.